Welcome back, my fellow crafters. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make these cute lace miniature shoes. I created this pattern that you can download in the description. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the left shoe. We will cut 3 pieces. We will use felt fabric and a cereal box to form the left sole. You will do the same on the right sole. For the surface, we also have 2 parts. One we use felt, the other one we will use lace. After you cut the pattern, you put each pattern on the right material. I used the red felt in this video so you can see what I'm doing. When you choose the lace, make sure the mesh holes are not too big, like this. I chose this brown one. We'll glue the felt onto the fabric and make sure the felt part will be perfectly glued in middle of the fabric. You want an even distance around the edges. We will glue the surface as well. Make sure the middle edges all line up. Before you start sewing, make sure the right side faces the right way. We will start from the middle. All the stitches has to be right next to the felt. We will use the back stitches in order to get a really firm edges. As you're sewing, make sure the bottom sole and the top surface line up perfectly. As we sew in towards the heel, there will be a curve, so we make sure the surface and the sole line up perfectly. We will stitch up the other half, use the same way. Continue to line up the edges as you go. Now we're going to sew the back of the shoe. Line up all those felt and the lace piece, and this time we'll have to sew direct on the felt. For the last stitch, I will wrap over the edges and make sure the back of the shoes is really sturdy. We'll add several extra stitches to secure the back of the shoe. Now we will have to trim the excess at the heel. I'm using the dotting tool to help me to flip the shoes inside out. Use the dotting tool to push the edges gently. Now we have the basic shape of the shoe. Here I'm using the blanket stitches to seal the edges. Make sure to use the similar color thread as your lace color. We want the bottom of the shoes to be leveled, so it will sit flat on the surface. You can use a cereal box cardboard or a stock card to cut up the left bottom. Glue it on, make sure this is the right direction. After the glue is completely dry, trim up the excess. I use a black marker to color up the bottom of the shoe. I use this fingernail decoration to give the shoe some pizzazz. And there it is, the finished project. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I also made this embroidered red silk shoe. If you want me to do another tutorial on this shoe, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.